Study the theorem of external division of chords. If secants containing chords AB and CD of a circle intersect outside the circle in point E, then you have to prove AE into EB is CE into ED. So AB and CD are secants outside, intersecting outside in point E. Draw AD and draw BC. Triangle ADE and triangle CBE. Angle AED congruent to angle CEB. Common angle E. Angle DAE, observe, DAE, that is angle A, congruent to angle ECB, that is angle C. Angles inscribed in same arc are congruent. So therefore triangle ADE similar to triangle CBE by AA test, and therefore corresponding sides in proportion, that is AE upon CE is equal to DE upon BE. Cross multiply, you get the required answer. Tangent secant segment theorem. Point E is in the exterior of a circle. A secant through E intersects the circle at point A and B, and a tangent through E touches the circle at point T. Then EA into EB is ET square. You have to prove this. Now point E is outside the circle. Secant through E, that is EAB, it intersects in point A and B. Tangent through E intersects the circle in point T. Then ET square is equal to EA into EB. This we want to prove. Join AT and TB. In triangle EAT and triangle ETB, angle AET congruent to angle, observe, angle AET congruent to angle TEB, that is common angle. Angle ETA congruent to angle EBT. This is tangent secant segment theorem. This angle T congruent to this angle B. Therefore, two triangles, that is triangle EAT is similar to triangle ETB by AA test of similarity, and so corresponding sides in proportion, that is ET upon EB is equal to EA upon ET. Cross multiply, you have ET square is equal to EA into EB. So here you have triangles which are similar by AA test. This is angles in alternate segments are congruent, and angle E is common angle for both the triangles. So two triangles are similar by AA test, and therefore corresponding sides in proportion. So you can cross multiply here. ET square is equal to EA into EB is the required result.